Good evening, union siblings. This is Amy Clark, and I'm coming to you from our seventh bargaining session. We know how important it is to keep up our momentum, especially since our current contract expires this summer. However, during these summer sessions, the purpose of these meetings is to move us closer to a shared understanding and answer outstanding questions. We will not be agreeing to anything. We make decisions as a big bargaining team, and we would not vote on any tentative agreements while our members are on summer break. Today, we heard testimony from our bargaining member, Liao, who presented our rationale for proposal on standardizing what it means to be full-time as it has an impact on access to benefits and vesting. We repassed our shelter and housing proposal, emphasizing our desire to collaborate with the district in addressing the real need for an expansion of the emergency housing provided by the existing stayover program. We once more named the importance of establishing protocol around the introduction and use of AI. It's already popping up. The work of protecting our jobs and ensuring only actually helpful practices are implemented starts now. The district passed a proposal to ignore seniority or skipping rules for county schools, instead allowing the district to hold interviews and hire for any vacancies, citing the specialized nature of this work required for these roles. They rejected our proposal designed to secure our sped paras full stipends for hard to staff schools if they are working what is considered to be a full-time role for their position. They did what they always do and gave us the bare minimum. They are willing to set up a committee to talk about pension options for para educators. They rejected adding new positions to support our students with special needs. Not surprisingly, they want us to do more with less. The district finally responded to our proposal on 100% employer paid health care. Simply put, they won't pay for it and flat out refused it. Lastly, at a time when our community is being targeted by ICE, district management also completely rejected our sanctuary schools proposal, claiming that safe schools for our students and their families are outside the scope of our bargaining agreement. To claim that being able to know that our schools are safe, that our district has our students and communities back, is not a direct employment issue is insulting. Over the summer, we will continue to prepare to hit the ground running in August. There's no question that our organizing in the spring had an impact on avoiding so many layoffs, and we'll need to bring that same energy into the fall to fight for the contract our students deserve. Our next bargaining session is scheduled for July 17th, and we will share another update at that time. We hope you have a great summer break. And with that, we
We
leave you
leave you
with
with
when
when
we
we
fight,
fight,
we
we
win.
win.
When
When
we
we
fight,
fight,
we
we
win.
win.
When
When
we
we
fight,
fight,
we
we
win.
win.
That's
That's
right,
right,
y'all.
y'all.
See you
See you
again
again
on
on
July
July
17th.